Here's a great deal on a 2010 Lexus RX 350. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All-wheel drive provides for safe passage regardless of road or weather conditions. It includes power seats, front and rear reading lights, front dual-zone air conditioning, turn signal indicator mirrors, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Lexus also prioritized safety and security with features such as traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.